All right, we just got another DHL box from Japan, so we're ready to bust into this thing. Right. Okay, looks like we're pretty loaded up here. I see a pedal. This is, I think this is sort of like a, I think it's just a copy of like a rat pedal. Pick the one I can actually grab out. Oh, they got a bass body. It's a pretty one too. Fender Jazz, white with that red pick guard, super cool. Love the way they have that grounding right there. It's kind of interesting. All right, let's see what else we got here. Found the bass neck. Yeah, it's a pretty neck. Okay, I think this is a TL62, which is sort of like a 62 type reissue. Got my name on the back there. This is really neat. They've actually got sort of like a bird's eye maple. You see that right there? It's a bird's eye maple on the back of the neck there. A really nice blue finish, kind of translucent, and got the nice white binding too. This is a really nice one. I think this is an FSR, which would be a Fender special run. All right, what else we have here? Oh. Give this one a shot. We kind of went heavy on the Fender ordering this time. Can't go wrong with the Fender Japan. Oh yeah, yep. Yeah, this is probably my favorite one that I ordered. Matching headstock. It's got a really pretty, sort of like, you say like a pink finish, kind of like a rose pink finish. Yeah, that's super cool. That's great. Yeah, this is also an ST62. So same kind of reissue as the Tele we just looked at. Let's see. Looks like we've got a bass neck, another Fender. I think this is a Precision. It's a decent neck. I mean, it's a nice maple. I feel like the maple necks on bass kind of give it a nice punchy tone. So yeah, it's cool. Grab the body here real quick too so you can kind of see that. All right, oh, there she is. You can't go wrong with the classic kind of, what do you call this, like a tobacco burst. Really nice finish. This is about as classic of a bass body as you get. Oh, we got a little damage there, but that's okay. I think we got an extra pick guard we can swap out, so no big deal. Oh. Let's see, well this is not a Fender. I know that much. I think it might be the only non-Fender guitar that we ordered. And it is a Kazio Hiari. Not a bad guitar. This is a brand that I think a lot of people don't know about, that really makes some nice stuff. This actually is all solid wood. You got that nice tongue groove there for the neck going into the body. All right, this is the last one. Hopefully we saved the best for last. I have no idea. Oh yeah, okay, a Greco. This one is pretty cool. I didn't actually expect this one. All right, so yeah, this is kind of like an off-white, sort of, I mean, it's become off-white and vintage over time. Matsumoka. And it's got that cool ashtray cover on the bridge there, which is kind of neat. I like that. But yeah, just a classic Tele copy by Greco. Can't go wrong. So I guess the question is, which one is the best out of this lot of guitars? I mean, honestly, it's kind of a tie, but if I had to choose, definitely this the ST62. It's just such a pretty color. I've never seen that finish exactly. And then you have that matching headstock. I just think it's super nice. I'm kind of a sucker for matching headstocks with Fender, though. Comment below if you're the same. I feel like I'm always willing to pay extra. As a close second, this TL62 is really cool too. I think what really does it for me on this is that bird's eye maple. That bird's eye maple on the head, it comes out on the headstock a lot too. You can kind of see that. But on the back of that neck, I love that bird's eye maple. That translucent finish. I mean, this is just a really nice looking Tele. All right guys, that's it for this unboxing, but stay tuned because we have a huge pallet shipment coming And I don't know if we'll have the video next week or the week after, but it'll be coming soon. So we'll see you in the next video.